Here in St. Louis, we love our community, our home, and our families. That's why CarShield supports our favorite teams, local charities, youth sports, and so much more. CarShield is proud to call St. Louis home. With over 1,000 employees in St. Louis, CarShield wants you to come join our family. If you're looking for more than a job and want to start a career with a company you'll love, CarShield is looking for you. St. Louis is a great American city. Smart, we work hard, and don't know the meaning of the word quit. Our future is in your hands. Find a career with a winning team that's been named a top workplace in St. Louis numerous times since we opened our doors in 2005. Join us in making a difference in the city we love and become part of the CarShield family. Visit CarShieldCareers.com.